We're going to kick things off today by talking about interactive video placement, and who better to show us the way than top Shelf Distillers. They've given it top billing on their homepage, which we love. Why? Because interactive video works a lot like social media, helping customers new and returning discover products they may not have found on their own. That's not all. Top Shelf has also taken the step of adding interactive video to other sections of their site, including the bottom of collection pages. So again, if you don't quite know what you're looking for, they're giving you an interactive and immersive way to guide the shopping experience. Here's another cool note. You don't always have to point right to a product page. You can point to other collections or even to content pages to help enrich the consideration experience. After all, you created those blog posts or videos or other pieces of content to help buyers make decisions, right? Now you can put them to even better use with Ghost's interactive video. Create your own free shoppable videos at ghostretail.com and place them anywhere on your site in minutes.